Last week we took down the chimney. Now we have to fix the hole. We knew we had to fix the hole in the roof from the chimney going down, but we also had to fix another area too. We didn't expect to find enough matching roof tiles in the attic. That was a real shock and such a relief. While John fixed the roof, I had my own job, moving the rubble from the chimney. I was about halfway through here. I did it, although I'm not sure how my back's gonna feel tomorrow. It's looking good. Yep. I'm done for the day.
Yes, I'm glad I got that hole fixed.
Yeah. Snowing. It's just started to snow.
Snow?
Yeah. Just slightly. When the work outside stops, the other work doesn't really stop. Whether I'm in Ireland or back in England, there's always editing to do, filming, admin, and getting the videos ready for you. Most of it happens between everything else, or late in the evening, usually with a good cup of tea. I'm not just doing it either, I'm learning as I go, learning how to edit, how to film, and how to advertise the videos properly. Some days it's just small bits here and there, and other days it's sitting down properly and catching up. It's not something you always see, but it's all part of the process. Some of it's trial and error, figuring out what works, what doesn't, and doing it a little better each time. It's quiet work, but it matters, and it's how the videos come together. I'm still new to it, and it probably shows, but hopefully you can see the progress with each video that comes out. I'm actually surprised how much I'm enjoying it, especially learning little shortcuts, tips and tricks that help me make better videos. I never expected it to become part of the journey, but I think it's going to be an ongoing hobby for me. Maybe that'll be my next series. Who knows? Before we finish this video, let's take one last walk through the cottage to see what we managed to achieve this visit and to imagine what each room will become. Next up is the utility room. The window here still needs replacing with a door, And there's a lot more to do in this small space. This is where all the big stuff will go. The heating, hot water, tanks, furnace is also going to be the laundry area with the washing machine and dryer. Next is the kitchen, and honestly this room feels massive now that we've taken down the wall. We want this room to be the wow room, a big kitchen, a nice island, my new oven with the 7-hob burner. And we also will have the dining room table and chairs that we've already purchased. The tabletop will match the kitchen island and the kitchen tops. We got that last week. And also a wood stove to keep everything warm and cozy feeling. Also have to have a door here that goes out to a second bathroom. That's still got to be built. We've still got one more big job to do. We need to knock through this wall here for the entrance to the living room. As we step into the living room here, you'll see that this is the other side of the wall that we will be knocking through so that we have an entrance from the kitchen. I spent an hour cleaning the front door, inside and out. It came out so good. It's amazing what a bit of elbow grease can do. Next, the smallest third bedroom. This is basically where we've dumped everything for now. We even make a cup of tea here. Now the bathroom. We'd like to keep the same layout, but everything needs upgrading. With all the new plumbing going in, it's going to need a new tile job too. This room feels completely different now the chimney's gone. The guest bedroom looks so much bigger already, and we can't wait for family and friends to stay. Lastly, our bedroom, with that huge double chimney between both bedrooms taken out. It's given me more closet space. Hopefully enough. And honestly, waking up to this beautiful view from our bedroom window is going to be so special. It's so peaceful out here. I can't wait to wake up to this each day. John's already put the dryer into the laundry room, even though we've got so much more to do in here. But look at this. Even this room has a perfect view. I tried a little mold cleaner on this door. It actually worked great. It's coming up so much better. And now we're outside having a look at the cottage. It looks so good. Honestly, job well done for our first visit. We just have to take a minute to look at the views. This place is so peaceful, and it really is my happy place. It's always sad to leave, but we got out just in time. The clouds started rolling in, and then the snow followed us all the way back to England.